Hi guys, this is what I plan on using to get rid of all the insects and bugs that take over the yard in the summertime. It's made by Cutter. Got it from Menards. Hope it helps. Deep in the summer they just come out like it's a big party and create disease. It's not good for your grass. I hope this helps. We'll see. Got a good deal. Comes with a spray. So try it out. Anyway, I forgot to talk about the tree I took down in episode 16 of the Backyard Playlist. I mentioned the security cameras, patio lights, not bragging, but everything turned out well. Moving forward, plan on doing bigger and better things, step by step, little by little, piece by piece. I'm sure this video coming up will really help some guys. You know what? I'll take one for the team. We'll let you know how it all played out. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.